All right, guys, we got a pretty big storm. We are, oh, I had heard hail just now. They call it QSL. Maybe it was tornado, weird thing. It's down below us by 1.5 miles to 2 miles south of us, but it's not coming. It's going to travel under us the same distance. But it's small. It's nothing big. I know you guys can't see much, but it's a huge amount of rain. You might be able to see lightning going off. They've been talking about this for a couple of days. But yeah, all our friends are texting us wanting to know if we're okay because it's that close. And there's hail. You can hear it ping every once in a while. But the tornado is that's the driveway, is that direction, and it's traveling northeast of us this way. Regular, we got direct TV, it's out, but we have also backup set of rabbit ears we use, and we're on that right now, and that is also very weak signal right now. Look at that, the gutters can't handle it, that would be the amount of rain. I'm walking around the back side of the house right now. This is where the rocking chairs are and everything. Ooh. Heading toward the outdoor grill. There's that. None of the gutters can handle the amount of rain coming through, and all the gutters are open. I was up there a couple days ago, since I knew you see the water gushing out of there. I was up there a couple days ago knowing that I wouldn't be able to get on the roof for a while, checking everything out. Well, there's the update. It is windy. They said we would have straight line winds of maybe 80 miles an hour. And as of right now, it is windy. I don't know if it's 80. The wind direction has changed. Now it's coming from the east. So most likely it has passed us. And now we're getting the wind, the circulation of the wind. The backside of it's coming this way. Because that is due east right there. All right, well, here's our weather update. Okay, I'm going in.